Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In this video, we're testing WetnWild foundation. This is Stick Foundation Soft Ivory Light Warm. I am gonna tell you the truth. So I thought this color is gonna be a little bit lighter than this one, but we shall see how it looks on my skin, how it blends, is it patchy, and whatever. The only thing that I did off camera, I applied a little bit of a moisturizer. Let's get started, because I look weird without any makeup on, just like that. I know the WetnWild foundations, they're really good, and I had liquid foundation, but I've been wondering, is it gonna be a full coverage or nothing like this? It's plastic. It looks a little bit cheap, but it doesn't even matter. I don't really care about the packaging. The liquid foundation is glass. I mean, it's made of glass. And this foundation is made of plastic. Liquid foundation is cheaper than this stick foundation. Probably it is caused by manufacturers. That is how much product you get. I want to see how much you apply and how much you're left with. Okay, I'm not mad. At first I thought that this color is gonna be a little bit darker than my natural skin tone. It is a little bit darker, but that's okay, because I'm gonna apply some concealer and some translucent powder that's gonna even it with my complexion. Left part of my face I will blend with a beauty blender, and my right part of the face I'm gonna use some brush. Okay, I actually kind of like this shade. This is good. At first I thought that it's gonna be really dark, but I have really fair complexion. That's why this soft ivory light warm color is okay. I mean, with the concealer, this is gonna be okay. It blends out well with the beauty blender. It looks soft, not a full coverage. I wouldn't say that it's like just a full coverage, but I like it. I used wet beauty blender. My brush is not wet. By the way, I have the worst habit. I bite my lips. I don't know how to prevent this, but I think that I'm just gonna apply some lip balm. What about the feeling? It's still creamy. I kind of like the sheer, this natural glow. There's no extra feeling all over my face, which I get when I apply a lot of foundation. I kind of like it. I hardly used any product. What about the smell? It has no fragrance. By the way, I completely forgot that with my moisturizer, I applied a little bit of this primer. I did a review on this primer about a month ago, so if you're interested, then check this out, MUA Academy Makeup Primer, which is pretty much good. I'm about to apply my Sephora concealer. This is my favorite of all times. I love this concealer. This is soft ivory and a little bit lighter color. I don't really apply a lot of this shade, just a little bit on my forehead, like here. And now I want to test, is it going to be patchy when I apply some powder, or is it going to be absolutely fine? I'm using a Makeup Revolution translucent powder. I like this color. It's not white. It's kind of like pale with some pinkish undertone, which is super cool. For my right side, I'm gonna use a little bit different technique. This is just gonna be with my sponge. Just a little bit of this powder. My right part of the face is a little bit kind of more matte, and this one is more kind of like sheer. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Back to my contour, I'm gonna do this with my Studio Pro BH contour palette. I've been having this forever and I really like it. Today I want to go a little bit darker, probably this color from my palette, and mix it with a little bit lighter version. My nose contour I'm gonna do with a little bit lighter version. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. I kind of like how this foundation completely hid my pores. I have really big pores on my nose and they comes through every single foundation. This one covers them. It's just really nice. I mean, definitely this is the best foundation I've ever used to hide my pores. This way, and with some pink color, just a little bit, you know, kind of like a rosy shade. I am gonna make sure that it just looks nice, and I'm gonna brighten up this area a little bit. Take off some extra product. I flip my brush and I start blending out this contour, really harsh contour. This is actually my point, so it looks this way, and now I'm using some rapid motions, and I want to see how my foundation underneath all this powder, is it gonna break better. And with my Wet n Wild blush, I'm making sure I have some nice makeup on. So is it patchy? Oh my god, I love this area because it always has some problem. I don't know why, but it just like I can't get my foundation here. Okay, it looks decent. You know, a little bit of this highlighter. My god, I love this curls. I like the whole look. There's no smell. There's no extra smell. It blends out perfectly well with a brush or with a beauty blender. I can't feel this foundation, which is so cool. All my foundations, I definitely can feel them, but this one is so light. It doesn't get patchy. It still is on. The price is fantastic. This plastic, by the way, doesn't bother me at all. There's just a lot of this product and it's gonna last you at least like a month. I would highly recommend you this product because Wet n Wild, it's cruelty free, it's really affordable, and it's just like perfect. If you like this video, then let me know in the comments, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. If you didn't like this video, then tell me please what didn't you like about this video, because it just like, it's really good for me to understand your needs. What I've noticed about this product, I am telling you right now on camera. Till my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.